Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot an HP laptop HP 6930p not coming on. You can see 6930p. It's not coming on. With charger, it's still not showing anything. Not showing anything with charger. The battery too is totally dead. So let us open the system and check. I guess something, maybe a component might have gone out. I can't really say till I check. Right. Now, system like this, just have to be careful when opening them because somehow old system. They still perform same function as the recent system. Kind of sometimes their speed is still very okay, the processor, and they can even run some of the latest software. In fact, some of the professionals latest professional software can still be run on this particular model of system. So system like this are still prone to be maintained if it's get faulty rather than just discarding them all or abandoning those laptops. They're still useful system. You can just fix some little problem that are wrong with it, continue using it. And these are series of systems that they're very strong system. I mean, to get a new model of laptop that is as strong and rugged as all this previous one, all these late HP laptop are very rugged. You also have to be careful. Don't rush yourself. Take your time to remove the screw one after the other. I guess I'm going to be the first person to actually open this system because some of the warranties still are still intact. I can just believe that it's going 40 for the first time, though. So let us test now. Maybe one of the parts has a short. Let us and still no light. So definitely another thing. Just like I said earlier, maybe apart from the board. Close the charger. Still not showing any sign of light. I'm going to put it in voltage since we are troubleshooting voltage issue. Oh God, fire the burnt component here. And this is what we're going to be changing. So let's remove the board and see. I mean, this kind of issue must have happened maybe based on the surge or over voltage at times. I guess the system is not well protected from the power outlet, so burnout. Receive excess voltage and burnout. I hope that's the only problem anyway. System like this, they're very rugged in or rugged in they they don't usually have problem. They're very strong system. It's 440p, 6930p, 8460p, 8470p. This 25 series, 2540p, 2535p. All those series of HP that carry P. They're always rugged. I mean, they're one of the best products of HP ever. They're very rugged. So it's hard for them to go down in a way. So firstly we need to check if this particular MOSFET is NPN or PNP. It has got bound with the name, but I can see the last number written on this particular bond component is 07. That 07 is still survive, so definitely it must be the same with this other FET. Then if you don't know whether it is an MPN or PNP, you can just go online and check it on Google. So I'm going to share a link below to always check data sheet of any MOSFET you see, or let me say any transistor you have. Alright. I'm going to type 4400A. That is AO. The manufacturer of this component is Alpha and Omega, right? So I'm going to type AO for I've searched it before, so copy it or maybe I press that. It's a P-channel MOSFET. P-channel MOSFET, a 30 volt P-channel MOSFET. So we're going to read for short. Now, I guess there must have been an opposite, that's why it's not returning power to the charger. But since it has gone out, it could have opened a gap, right? So I guess that's where the problem is. Let us read for power and see if current is actually coming out from the other side of the MOSFET. So we have our input voltage, but nothing is coming out at the second side. So we're going to change this first MOSFET to a new one. Look for a spare component that's also a P-channel MOSFET. It can work for a 30 volt P-channel MOSFET. So this is it's 4468 468. No, this is an analog spec, so we can't use it for it. Yeah, 44.7 is here. Still a new channel. So let's check for 44.66. And each channel was very too. You don't get components that a P-channel component. The next solution is to make use of a rectifier diode to forward the voltage to the other side. So I'm going to be making use of the rectifier diode to forward this voltage from this side to the other side, and if that works, I guess to be on the safe side, you just go and make sure you get a P-channel MOSFET that can work for it. I want to advise you to permanently make use of a rectifier diode, because that means the protection is totally out. Then any surge or kind of over voltage that entered the system would completely damage the motherboard. It may affect the processor or the south bridge or north bridge of the processor or the VGA. So the best option is to replace with a new P-channel MOSFET. So I'm going to be using this diode to forward the voltage and see if the board is still okay. I'm coming. So we're done replacing this with a diode now. You can see we replace it with a diode. So we're going to test now. Just leave it for some couple of minutes to cool down, and we test if it works for it. You can screw those temporarily. Don't forget, I won't permanently advise you to make use of a diode, because the MOSFET also serve as a protector in the circuit. So using a diode means you're just sending the voltage directly to the charging IC. So, and that may affect a lot of components. The next time it's affected by surge, it's not only going to stop here, it's going to circulate around the board. So you leave it to cool for some minutes before you test it. So you can test it now. unfortunately, we still have shorts on the board. Still short around this. So here we're going to need a short killer. Because no one can tell which of the components is faulty. I found a lot of short on the board. So I'm going to need a short killer here. I actually found a short circuit in one of the capacitor here, this particular capacitor. So I'm going to change this capacitor to a new one now and see if the short is going to disappear. Here was how I actually detected there was a short in the capacitor. Okay, so it's beeping in this side and the other side too. So I'm actually going to change this capacitor and see if it will fine. So we remove the capacitor, and the next thing is to look out for the short, whether it has exploded or is still there. So I have the second probe connected to the ground there, and if I should touch another side of the ground, it's going to beep up that I'm having a short. Okay, so the short is clear now, and the other side is the ground. So we've changed the capacitor now, and we're going to read for shorts. So we don't have shorts, and the other side is the ground. There's no short. So we're going to test it now. So we're going to test it now. Wow. Here is it. It has worked, and the fan is